Hello, so how to install American Airlines app. So here's the app, just tap cat in the App Store and there you have it. However, this app is like 144 megabytes, 145, so it's like pretty big app, so you need to have that storage available. And yes, the travel resumes slowly. A lot of people start using again American Airlines app, Flight Delta app, United app. And yeah, if you're just flying often with a specific airline, this is the way for you to just make your experience better. And yeah, you can deliver flight details on the go, you can book flights, you can have boarding pass in the app, you can navigate through airports and stuff like that. So that's that. And then when you just download it, you can tap open. And yeah, then you can just create an account or continue as a guest.